how to get tax refund on Cash App. To get a tax refund on Cash App, you can have your tax refund directly deposited into your Cash App account by providing your Cash App routing and account number to the IRS or the tax preparer you're using. So here's how you do it. First, you want to access your Cash App, open up the Cash App app on your mobile device. Then you will get your direct deposit information. You will tap on the banking tab. It looks like a bank icon or a dollar sign at the bottom of your screen. You will scroll down to find your routing and account number. This information is needed to set up direct deposits with the IRS or tax preparer. Provide this information to the IRS or tax preparer during the filing process, either through a tax software accountant or manually. When asked where to deposit your refund, you will enter Cash App routing and account numbers. You can also update this information directly with the IRS if you filed taxes previously using a different account. Receive your refund. Once the IRS processes your tax refund, your refund will be deposited directly into your Cash App balance. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.